The dating scene is completely different nowadays from what it used to be. I feel like with people having like Tinder and stuff like that, it's, you know, it became a whole hookup scene rather than a dating scene. So a lot of people just kind of, you know, started getting together and, you know, doing their thing. And it just caused so many people to just, you know, go out and do their thing. And it's not like it's a bad thing. I mean, but, you know, people sometimes aren't safe and, you know, do things the unsafe way, and it becomes, you know, a risk.
I think it's really insane that there's such a spike in, you know, I guess in infections and all that, considering that we're a little more open about our sexuality, like as compared to, you know, even 10 years ago. So I think it's really strange, and like easily, like it's very easy to avoid, you know, it really is.
You know, practicing like safe sex and, you know, being safe about it, you know, not, you know, talking to one another with both parties, you know, both the male and the female, or both males and both females, because, you know, that's one way of preventing any sort of, and letting the other person know as well, as like hey, I might have this, and then like the other person's like, oh well, okay, well, you know, let's be safe, and, you know, so on and so forth, and, you know, also consistently getting checked, you know, and so on and so forth.
I just like put more information out there. Like it's like there was this whole like stigma about casual sex, and now there's no longer a stigma about that, and now there's just a stigma about, like, you know, STDs and STIs, and like nobody wants to talk about it, but it's like it happens, you know. Like if you wear protection or if you get tested, like even having the knowledge that you might have one or that you can prevent one is like 2 steps ahead, you know. Like also Planned Parenthood offers free tests and like free medication too, so